And here I am on my second campsite, about to do a video for you. So I'm talking quite quietly because I'm outside the cafe. A quick show you of where I am. Hope you can see the sea over there and Holy Island. Not sure. Anyway, as always, I will be tapping mostly on the side of my hand. You won't be able to see my hands because they're down here. And if you choose to tap along with me, as always, you take full responsibility for your own well-being. So while I've been away, I've been having a technological detox. No scrolling, no emails, no watching news, and it's been great. This is the first time I've actually done anything with my phone or my computer, and I'm having to do this on the phone because the computer doesn't have enough Wi-Fi. So I thought I'd do a bit of tapping today on allowing yourself to be nurtured by the world around you, because we're so isolated from nature often when we're in our houses, when we're in our cities or villages, and life gets disconnected from the things that are important. So I thought we'd do some tapping today on that. So tapping on the side of the hand, even though sometimes I forget to keep myself connected to nature, to the universal energy. I'm reminding myself now that those energies are there for me, and that when I'm connected to them, it's easier to become my best self. And I'm giving myself permission now to take some time out, even if it's just to stand and hold a weed, because weeds are just beautiful plants in a different place. I give myself permission to really notice the beauty of nature and to recognize I'm part of nature too, and just as beautiful. And it's time I acknowledge that. The world is mine, as is everything in it, as I am belonging to everything in the world. We are one, always connected, and I'm choosing to remember that. And remember that all I need is provided. I'm taking a step back now from the day-to-day stuff, and I'm allowing myself to see the beauty of the world and to see the beauty of me, part of the world. And I'm allowing myself now to really feel that connection, so that I and the world can function beautifully together for the good of the whole. Just like the mycelium underneath the earth that connects the plants and the trees, the fungi, so that everybody has the information they need, and it works for everyone. And I love and accept myself and the world, and maybe everyone and everything in it. We're all on the same journey. It's just sometimes we forget. And I love and accept all parts of me. I am doing a great job. That's the truth. And I'm just going to turn around, see if I can show you. I don't know whether you can see, but it's beautiful. And I'm just about to wander off to Holy Island, have a walk by the sea and a nice cup of coffee. So enjoy yourself, whatever you're up to. Bye.